Hello and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin. So here on the 2-hour time frame, you can see bearish divergence on Dogecoin. Price made a high and a higher high right here. And then on the indicator down here, you can see price made a lower high. So we have bearish divergence here on the MACD, and this is a strong sell signal in the short term. I know we are seeing price move up a little bit here in the short term off of this support level, but that is a strong sell signal in the short term for Dogecoin. So what I expect to have happen here for Dogecoin is this lower support level to fail, and for us to come down to 30 cents, maybe 25, somewhere in this area down here, and find support again. Now, I am not bearish on crypto in the big picture. In fact, crypto is super bullish, and we're going to see a lot more upside from here. But we did just get a very parabolic breakout here in the shorter time frames, and I would not be at all surprised to see us pull back down to major support. So I'm super bullish on Dogecoin in the big picture, but in the short term, I definitely see a potential correction coming that could pull us back down to about 25 cents or maybe around 30, somewhere around here within the support area before we go higher again. So that's my view on Dogecoin. Definitely not an area where I'm going to be buying up here. A lot of people are excited. A lot of people are excited about Bitcoin breaking out into new all-time highs, but I'm just being very careful here not to FOMO buy. I know it's easy to get excited about the markets and just start buying, but you got to be careful. Don't buy when people are excited. Don't buy when everybody wants to pile in and everybody wants to get in the markets. As a general rule of thumb, you should wait for a correction, you should wait for a good opportunity, and you should avoid FOMO buying. So yeah, I definitely think a bit of a pullback here will be coming on Dogecoin. I know there's a lot of excitement with Dogecoin and with the crypto markets in general, but you just got to be careful. You got to be safe in the short term. We could easily pull back here, and you don't want to FOMO buy the top of the market. And if you guys haven't seen this yet, it's actually really useful to compare Bitcoin and Dogecoin together, because if you compare Bitcoin and Dogecoin together, you're going to see the same exact market structure. So here's Bitcoin back in 2014 and 2015 and 2016. Where Bitcoin did the same market cycle, the same ABC correction as Dogecoin is doing today. When Bitcoin broke this resistance level, it had to pull back down to support. And there was multiple 20 and 30% corrections along the way up here with Bitcoin before it finally topped out and saw a bear market. But along the bull market, there was a bunch of 20 and 30% corrections along the way up. And I definitely think that is coming here for Dogecoin. You can see the same breakout of resistance, only we have not yet had that 20 or 30% pullback. So I definitely think it's possible for a 20-30% pullback here in the short term before we break out and go any higher. So that's my update on Dogecoin. Super bullish in the big picture, but don't be surprised if the market does pull back 20 or 30% in the short term. Be prepared to buy the dip, and don't be afraid to take a little bit of profit up here on Dogecoin. So thank you guys for tuning in. I love you, I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.